top of the S's. Scott chasing him nice and tight up into the top of the S's, just falling off a little through the middle. Both very similar looking vehicles, the Sonbigger of Jake Jones and playing over there. You see them in staging area, and not giving him more than about a meter's breathing room behind the car. As Scott Roberts now comes through the S's, Jake Jones hard on the chase behind him. Good proximity from both these cars, both beautifully presented, black and colourful S13 chassis. Jake right there, not giving him an inch of room. Scott working his way right across the outside wall there.